Which leaf might hold life's secret cure? Behind verdant canopies and in quiet meadows, ancient secrets lie dormant. Okay, so throughout history, diverse cultures have turned to the natural world, using leaves and roots as their pharmacies. Imagine, centuries ago, healers held the answer in their hands, treating wounds with nettle or easing pain with the willow's bark. Vanish a fever with elderflowers or soothe the mind with the delicate chamomile. Nature was their guide. What do you think so far? Let me know in the comments. Yet, forgotten secrets await rediscovery in today's modern world. In nature's pharmacy, age-old wisdom blooms. What hidden cures does your backyard hold? Like, comment, and share for more inspiring stories.